Welcome to a video by Trendi Switch. Today we're going to be looking at our one gang plug socket. When you receive your item, it will come in the following packaging with its usual barcode information and some information about the brand. Then upon opening your item, you will receive your product, your instruction leaflet and a packet of screws. To get access to the subframe, to do all your wiring, remove the front plate, and then you'll find your usual terminals are on the back and your mounting screw sockets, and then you can reaffix the plate in the colour you purchased to get the finish. It's available in 24 colours. If you'd like to learn more, please visit www.trendyswitch.com or feel free to give us a call.